In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your host key on Zoom, a necessary piece of information if you're frequently hosting meetings and need to start or manage them seamlessly. Being equipped with your host key allows you to reclaim host privileges in Zoom meetings, especially useful in situations when you're joining from a different device than originally planned. First things first, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to zoom.com. Make sure you're logged in using your account credentials so that we have access to all your personal settings and preferences. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password and hit the sign in button. You'll then be guided to your Zoom homepage where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the page and locate your profile icon. This is usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that will provide access to various sections of your Zoom account. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you'll find a variety of options, all neatly organized to help you configure your Zoom experience to your liking. These settings allow you to make adjustments to personal information, meeting preferences, and much more. Now that you're in the settings area, the next step is to click on Profile. This link is found on the left-hand sidebar or menu, and selecting it will direct you to your profile details page. Here, you'll see your basic information like your name, time zone, and other personal settings related to your Zoom account. Once you're on your profile page, we need to find the Meeting section. Scroll down, keeping an eye out for anything meeting related. This section holds various details about your meetings, but the focus today is on the host key. As you reach the meeting section, you should see an item titled Host Key. To view your host key, look for an eye icon directly next to or beneath the host key entry. Click on this eye icon to reveal your host key, which should appear as a numeric code. Remember that your host key is a sensitive piece of information, so make sure to keep it secure and change it if you suspect any unauthorized use. And there you have it. You've successfully located your host key, and you're now ready to take full control of your Zoom meetings effortlessly. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to access your host key, and remember, keeping your host key secure is equally important as locating it. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.